RDC nga gyokumenya una mugamba mbadde ntulubwa n'ekitaawo nga tunoonya sente nga tubaweeri naye uze kumenya ne video weeri nga amenya peacefully nga nze nzirusi nga baagala kunzita ne family yange amayumba marane bagokya ente ne batwara.
Our assessment because no. Can I you told me no, you gave me 1 minute, sir. You gave me 1 minute, sir. You gave me 1 minute, sir.
But you have talked.
You gave me 1 minute, sir. Can I finish it, sir?
But you have talked.
Please, can I kneel down, sir?
Security was saying, Mr. Jet, Mr. Jet.
The honorable minister said he wants to meet them. No. We have 40 policemen here. And everybody is peaceful. You can even disarm everybody and take their phone. No, Mr. Sir, we have reached the land. We should have held the meeting in Kyankwanzi. Why didn't we talk in Chiroga? Why didn't we talk in Kyankwanzi?
It's not part of the land.
Why? It's not part. It's not.
No,
are you
our
on the
assessment
land?
is different.
Are you on the land? I have a video of you with the house burning in the background. And you had security. Now today, there is no security. You go to the gate and remove the sticks. Take everything. That is your role as security.
Who's your boss? Who's your boss? Where?
Mr. Mugabe.
He's not aware that we are coming.
Mr. Mugabe, I told him, I'm even trying to call him.
He's not aware that we are coming. Open for us, we go. Okay? Where's your place?
Everybody is here and everybody is peaceful. You can even remove their clothes and they walk in naked. But let's walk in.
We need a neutral ground. Ttaka Lye. We can sit here and have our meeting. What if we go there and cause chaos and people kill?
Why is any part of this country a no-go area for a minister? When we have more than 50 guns here, there are 50 guns. What is insecure here? These are peaceful people. When they went to break buildings, there was security. Now the minister is coming to see the buildings which were destroyed. There is no security. What is this real? You are saying you don't have enough security. You are saying you don't have enough security. You should have asked the headquarters IGP to send you security. You cannot stop a minister from accessing this land. You are giving. That's what you are. We are just protecting why is it
This was her house.
You are done with crafts, the videos are there, Honorable Minister, the pictures are there. It was going up to this place. That was a huge guest house and a resting place. So it was all destroyed.
First of all,
RDC nga gyokumenya una mugamba mbadde ntulubwa n'ekitaawo nga tunoonya sente nga tubaweeri naye uze kumenya nze ntambala Faustin
gwetambala
bamenya nakiguli manya emu nakiguli ebintu
gwe wali wano nga oli gundi tandaba kubeerawo
omukyalo oyo yajja n'aŋŋamba nti baze RDC Kyankwanzi n'aŋŋamba afunye court order ey'okugoba nakiguli ne mugasinze nakiguli siri agenti wa nakiguli ne bajja mu maaso ne video weeri nga amenya peacefully nga nze nzirusi nga baagala kunzita ne family yange amayumba marane bagokya ente ne batwara olwo oluzi naade n'akaluteekawo olwo lwe lupya oluzi olwa Nayikondo ebyamenyebwa amayumba baleeta ne tractor.
I hope we get time and we show people, because police has investigated this criminality. And you will see from another video, there is a background when the houses are burning. So the police has done investigation. We have the latest police report that was issued last week. The police report clearly details the fraud that happened on this land. The two court cases which were executed were filed on the same day by Safari in the names of two different parties. They were decided on the same day. Afterwards, they were executed on the same day. Land was demolished or almost all the same.
So are you the minister?
No, I'm clarifying the minister. I'm a recipient of the minister's letter.
That's the minister.
The contents of the minister's letter are very clear, and I have
here to defend you.
Ngabamenya videos on tugenda kuzisharinga n'abamawulire.
President Museveni yafudde
olaba wano bamenya balina ba beliefs ngana bamenya ate tebalina demolition order bino byonna twagala kubitegeera olaba bamenya
monga 20 babade ku pick up
obalaba batikka bintu
nze ndi munnamateeka wa myaka 4+ nga practice ndi wano okulongoosa bintu by'ettaka lino era kirungi nti ntuuse ku kifo kyennyini n'abantu bennyini